What if happiness isn't the result of success, but the reason for it? In The Happiness Advantage, by Shawn Achor, we discover that our brains perform better when positive. Not after the promotion, not after the goal, before it. So why do we keep chasing success to feel happy later, instead of using happiness to get there faster? Science shows that when you train your brain to see the positive first, productivity rises, creativity expands, and energy doubles. It's not fake optimism. It's rewiring. If your mind expects growth, your body follows. Could the smallest shift in focus change the entire direction of your life? Shawn calls it the Tetris Effect. Your brain becomes brilliant at finding what you practice most. Train it to spot problems, and that's all you'll see. Train it to spot wins, and opportunities multiply. Where is your attention building its walls? Failure isn't the end, it's data. Those who fall up rewrite failure as feedback. They ask, what can this teach me? Instead of why me? Each setback becomes a springboard, not a scar. How would your story change if you used pain as propulsion? Start small. Control one circle of your life before expanding. When Zorro learned this, he found freedom through focus. The same applies to us. Control fuels confidence. Which part of your day can you reclaim right now? Reduce friction for good habits. Raise it for bad ones. If it takes 20 seconds less to do the right thing, you'll do it. Behavior follows ease. Could happiness really begin with rearranging your environment? Happy people don't go it alone. They invest in relationships, the strongest predictor of long-term success and resilience. When life pushes back, connection pulls forward. Who fuels your optimism when yours runs low? Positivity spreads faster than fear. Your mood shifts others' performance, even without words. Every smile, every thank you, every act of kindness tilts the balance of someone's day. The happiness advantage isn't a theory, it's contagious. Happiness isn't the reward, it's the strategy. Start using it first.